are devices used with AC motors to temporarily reduce the inrush current and torque during startup. They prevent jolts that are harmful to the equipment and high current draws that put a strain on the power supply and provide a smooth, gradual ramp up to full speed. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use and install our soft starter. Here we have an AceCrew engineered soft starter. It has a host of advanced features, but today let's focus on the most commonly used one: how to limit the max amps during startup. For demonstration purposes, I have a 15 horsepower 3-phase motor connected to our soft starter. The motor's full load draw is 41 amps. Following the setup instructions in our manual, I'm going to program the maximum starting current to be 200%, which translates to about 82 amps. Once programmed, press Run to start. The gradual start time is 3 seconds. Let's turn it on. Now, if I set the maximum starting current to be 100%, which means the motor will never draw more current than its full load amps. The gradual start time is about 16 seconds. As you can see, my motor has no load connected to it. Your motor's starting time will depend on what it's connected to, whether it's a fan, a pump, or anything else. If I want the motor to automatically start when it gets power, all I need to do is change the connections at the terminal here. This can be beneficial when you want to retrofit your equipment with minimal modification. Just install this starter in line with your existing equipment and your motor. It is that simple. There is no need to change or modify anything else. Since a soft starter is designed as a retrofit drop-in, your motor will start when your equipment gives it power. I will demonstrate by using the breaker switch here. Now I have changed the connections to control the motor with a rotary switch. You can turn the motor on by turning the switch, and you can turn it off. Here I will demonstrate turning the motor on and off using 2 different switches. You press the green button to turn on the motor, and press the red button to turn it off. For more information on this soft starter or our industrial parts and components, please contact us.